Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, click on display, choose advanced, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!